Hey guys, it's Scott here from BOP and welcome to our 3D printing pen tutorial. Now the 3D printing pens are one of the most versatile pieces of technology we use in our digital creator workshops, and therefore one of my favourite because they're just so creative. Now we get our 3D printing pens from the 3D Doodler company, and they're fantastic because they've got pens that range from the 3D Doodler Start, which are really simple and easy to use and start at around 100 Aussie dollars, all the way up to our 3D Doodler more advanced pens, which you can do all sorts of different stuff with and are for more advanced projects, which start at a couple of $100s. And these pens can be used to do a whole myriad of exciting things. But the way they work is essentially, you've got a regular 3D printing pen here and some plastic filament. Now this filament comes in all sorts of different colours, so you've got spoil for choice there. And essentially what you do is you put that in the end of the pen, and how it works is it goes in, it gets heated up by a heating element here, and then comes out the end, and you can move it around so it's nice and warm. Now you press start, and the great thing about this is it's non-toxic, so you can let kids of all ages use it, and it's not too hot either, so there's no worries about being burnt. These are fantastic pens that you can draw in the air, wrap it around your finger, or even on the tabletop, and then lift it up in the end. You can do all sorts of really cool things, and we're seeing students use them in all sorts of classes, from design and technology to art, and even in English. We're seeing kids in design technology use these to sculpt and mould their designs in 3D in real time. It really beats the old toothpick models we're used to. And as well as that too, we're also seeing them in art, creating beautiful 3D artworks like the Colosseum, the Eiffel Tower and everything like that, just with these 3D pens. And finally, my favourite one is in the English classroom, where kids are using them to write out their spelling words. So come test time, when they have to spell photosynthesis, they remember writing it with 3D pen. It's fantastic for memory and retention. So we've even seen in our workshops, kids use them to create all sorts of things, from leaves and flowers to a pair of glasses. This was mine, I promise the kids do it better. To all sorts of really exciting things. Now as mentioned, these are so versatile and so exciting, and I'd seriously recommend them for any classroom. Fantastic bit of tech that your students will show you the amazing things they can do with them. To find out more, make sure to Google 3D Doodler, or head to our website, www.bopindustries.com, and send us a message, and we're more than happy to send out some more information. I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned a bit more about the power of 3D printing pens, and I hope to hear from you all soon. Bye guys!